Hello, dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. I am Damini Govani, and firstly, I would like to welcome all my dear students of Creative International School. I just hope that you all are safe and healthy, and you might be taking care of yourself, and you might be enjoying your lockdown too. Yes, you might be also missing your school. Um, your time with other students, you might be missing your friends, right? We also miss you, my dear students, and we really hope that we will meet soon after the Diwali vacations. So I just wanted to tell you that I am going to teach you English subject, and in the last lecture Unit 5 has been completed. So from today we are going to start Unit 6, class discussion. Actually, class discussion is really important, right? When we are in lecture, first of all, when we explain you something, right? Discussion is really important. In discussion, what is discussion? Actually, the meaning of discussion is that we discuss means हम कुछ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, हम कुछ बात कर सकते हैं, राइट? डिस्कशन इज दैट when some students, right, when one by one students try to give their opinions, their ideas, and together after getting all the ideas and opinions, and finally you go to some one decision, right? We make some decision that we are going to do this or going to perform the thing like that. So that is the discussion, right? When all are involved in that discussion. If we are talking about our class discussion, right, which is mentioned on your screen, class discussion, in this picture you can see that some students are sitting on bench and their ma'am is also standing over there, and students are sitting and discussing, right? Students are discussing something. So in the class discussion, Jenny, you hardly said a word. We all are aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. Actually, in the class discussion, a ma'am is asking to a girl named Jenny that she might be not speaking anything in class, and she used to sit silently, and nobody has listened that she is talking with anyone, because she is silent. She does not like to speak anything. And we are also, I think, in every school and in every class there is one student, whether a girl or a boy, they are having a silent nature. They don't like to speak much. They just go on observing everything what is happening next to them. So here also in this class discussion, Jenny did not speak anything, and nobody has heard. किसी ने सुना ही नहीं है कि वो कभी कुछ बोलती हो. So you sat and stared in silence surrounded by the chatter. It means वो हमेशा सिर्फ बैठी रहती है, और जो दूसरे बोलते हैं, जो दूसरे चैटर मीन्स टॉक, चैटर मीन्स बातें जो हम करते हैं एक दूसरे से, राइट? सो यू सैट एंड स्ट्रेड मीन्स व्हाट? टू look something, right? To look something with a broad eyes without blinking your eyes. मतलब एक तरफ सिर्फ देखते ही रहना. She used to observe everyone talking, but she never used to speak herself. So now tell me, Jenny, and please be plain. What the teacher is saying, that please tell Jenny, tell me, and please be plain. Plain mean please be clear. Whatever the problem is, you can share it with me and say it, whatever it is. Is there anything the matter? The teacher is asking that, ma'am is asking that, is there anything wrong with you? Something is wrong which is going on in your head and you might not be able to speak out. Is there any problem with you? Then after asking this many questions, Jenny looked up and then she spoke. Jenny looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. When she spoke, her voice was very clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. So Jenny is replying, Jenny is answering to ma'am that, ma'am, her voice was very, when she spoke, her voice was low but clear. So what she is saying, that there are many people in this world who are quiet, you know, ma'am. It means it is not like that she is having any problem, she is facing any problem. There was nothing like that. Actually her nature was quiet. It means she does not like to speak so much. She only likes to observe all the things happening around her, but she does not like to speak. She does not like to give talk with other students unnecessarily, right? So many people in this world are having such kind of nature, but we are always misjudging them by thinking that they are not they are having attitude problem, or else I can say they are shy by nature, that they are afraid of talking, afraid of giving their opinions to other people. But actually their nature is silent. It means they does not like to speak much. They observe everything, but they do not like to speak. They does not like to share everything with other people. So this is the nature. There is not a problem with that, right? So there are, after this conversation, there are some question and answers. There are some question and answers into it. First of all, there are some new words: discussion, aired, barely, stare, and plain. Right? These are the new words. What is the meaning of discussion? I explained you before that talking together in a group on a single topic, right? Where the topic is similar among everyone and we are discussing on it. That is a discussion. And the other word is aired, means make public. It means say something, sharing something, right, with other person. So barely, the other word is barely. It means only just means sometimes when it happens, right? The word is stare. Stare means look fixedly with eyes wide open. It means to look at someone or something which is happening without blinking your eyes. And the other and the last word is plain. Plain means clear. Plain means clear. It is not that plain which is we are using in maths. Actually there is a problem that one word with the same spelling has so many different meanings which are used in different ways. So we have to understand that this plain means clear, right? Okay, there are a few questions in the let's read section, so let's do that. What activity was going on in the class? Students, are you do you know the answer? What will be the answer? What activity was going on in the class? And the answer is class discussion, right? Who was the quiet one in the class? Who was the quiet in the class? Jenny, right? Jenny was the quiet one in the class. And the third question is, why was she quiet? Why was she quiet? क्यों चुप थी वो? And there are some options which we have to select. The first option is, she was afraid to air her opinions. I don't think so. Second option, she hated the noise. No. Third, she did not like the activity. It was not like that too. Then the fourth option is, she was quiet by nature. So I think according to that, fourth option is the correct one, that she was quiet by nature. And the fourth question is, how do you interact in class during discussion? Do you participate or remain quiet? This is a question with all the students, right? Which you are going to answer me. in the homework section. And the other section is think and write. Choose two friends in your class who are very different from each other. Use the clues in the box to describe their nature, and you may also add your own words to describe them. Okay, so this is your homework, think and write section. And let's read section. You have to write all the answers of it. In think and write section, you have to choose your friends who are very opposite by nature, right, who are very different from each other. And what we have to do is that in the blue box some of the clues are given of words, right, so you have to use that words in your conversation, what you will write it in it. And you can also use that, add your own words too, there is no issue for that. So you have to write something about them, about two students which are totally different from each other. You can write 5 to 10 sentences on it and show it to me tomorrow. Thank you.